Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's finally take a look at crypto market. So on the big picture, we do not have any big changes. So market stands near the top, and despite that, was really lots of panic in the media concerning the recent drop of Bitcoins. Was major headlines talked that Bitcoin crushed for 8%, drop for 8%. In general, this is absolutely normal situation. It's warming up warming up public near the psychological level that everybody are watching for, and it is absolutely normal and natural that market makers start shaking the boat, trying to grab as a lot of stop orders as they could, using that everybody aimed stand on 100 level. This is what about the long-term technical picture. But first, in the beginning of the video, I would like to announce the new report that we have prepared for November. As usual, we have taken a look at the market overview, some forecasts, what really big players are expecting to see on the Bitcoin. But the most interesting thing that we have considered and trying to investigate the Donald Trump plan and in general the plans of the new government in relation to the Bitcoin. And from that standpoint of view, we have found very interesting picture that actually economists covered for 2015. And take a look at the Bitcoin here. It has the gold color. This is the sign of United States dollar here. The signing of the same that you could see on the dollar. And it's turning the global finances. So this was almost 10 years ago, 8 years ago. And currently we have trying to investigate the recent steps that have been done. So we have taken a look at the Bitcoin Act, what really government intends to do, and analyzed what actually trying to find out what's the real plan of the United States government, what they would like to do with the Bitcoin. And results that we've got from this analysis have surprised us. So actually what they would like to do. And also we have taken a look at some practical issues where they will have some problems with realizing this plan, but we think that definitely they will try to do this. So this definitely will make impact on Bitcoin performance, and while they will start trying, it probably will keep going higher. So if you're interested with this topic, you could read the report. It's not really very extended this time. It's actually just 5-7 minutes to read, I suppose. So now let's take a look at lower time frames. So on the weekly time frame, we do not have also anything bad. Yes, here's minor pullback, but half of this pullback Bitcoin is already played out. And we have the inside week to the previous one. So no strategy I see here. Everything just great. Trend remains bullish, market still stands around overbought. That might be another reason why it can't keep going higher, at least from the technical point of view. The major concern right now is what to expect in the nearest future. So daily trend has turned bearish. Market has erased the grabber. So and if you remember, in general on Monday we had really nice setup. So we've got this grabber, and it was just few thousands until the 102 target. And logically, normally, market's trying to complete it. But surprisingly, we've got this drop. And currently, we could recognize multiple scenarios around this drop, what really could happen. So on a daily chart, you easily could imagine some kind of the A, B, C top pattern to the downside with the deeper retracement, right? So we could get the bread and butter buy, for example, here. Deep retracement could start if we'll get double repo sell. So for instance, market could try to return it back up. If it will fail to break the top and collapsed, this will be double repo sale. In this situation, we could get deep retracement back to the 80 even area. this is only on a daily chart, these two patterns that we could recognize. On all hourly time frames, we could get more. So first of all, on the 4 time frame chart, if everything will stand as it stands here, we could get the butterfly, right? So that might be the left wing of the butterfly, and market could keep going higher to the 127 extension that precisely stands in 102 area. We could get triangle pattern first. So it might be some kind of the triangle consolidation here. It's very often happens when the market is preparing to challenge the top and preparing to reach some very important target. So as you can see, we have a lot of things that might be formed here. And to understand on an early stage what really is going on, just keep an eye on the support areas. So now you can see on a few levels. Now you can see the market stands in the resistance. If market will break it up, it keep going higher. This works in favor of upper continuation. If market will not do this and stand in the resistance, start dropping down, so that increases chances on some downside action. So it might be, as I said, either A, B, C, D, or bread and butter on a daily chart. So the same on the hourly chart. Market stands on the 618 support, so I'll keep watching what will happen. Because at the current moment, as I said, it's too many patterns that we could recognize and could suggest in the current environment. So, and all of them have equal chances, approximately equal chances to be formed. So our task here is trying to just recognize some clear pattern at early stage. So hopefully maybe on Monday we will see it better. But in the current situation, probably it makes sense just to sit in the hands and see what will happen, especially in the holiday. And when we have just long-term actually weekend, so we have Thanksgiving and just Friday session and then 2 holidays more. So in current circumstances with some uncertainty, I would just wait and see what will happen and return back to this question on Monday.